To obtain your credit reports from Credit Karma, start by visiting their website or downloading their mobile app. If you don't already have an account, sign up for a free one. Otherwise, log into your existing account. The next step involves verifying your identity, which requires providing personal details such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you've submitted this information and have been verified, navigate to your account dashboard. There, you'll find an option to view your credit reports. By selecting this option, you'll gain free access to your credit reports from two major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Your credit report will include details such as your balance, payment history, and other relevant credit information. Additionally, you can monitor your credit score and track any changes over time. This straightforward process allows you to easily access and review your credit reports through Credit Karma.